SPTV.
Hey, I'm Ben.
Hey, I'm Ian, and today we're going to design that cereal box.
Welcome back to another episode of Design That. Today we're designing cereal boxes, mini cereal boxes to be exact. While I was researching what I wanted to do, I really enjoyed the kind of retro 80s look of cereal boxes. They were really bright and vibrant, and they had really thick, curvy text. There were logos for Kellogg's all over it. So I kind of took all those ideas and I just went with a simple picture of my kid holding a bowl of cereal, like all those Wheaties and
Live cereals.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I get what you mean.
it tastes really good. What kid doesn't want to be in a cereal box? Not a milk carton.
Yeah, you like that one.
Ian, what kind of cereal box are you gonna make?
I did the classic Ed, Edd, and Eddy, you know, chunky puffs. Really simplistic design, and I don't know, I just wanted to kind of put my own touch on that. Because when we came up with this idea, that's what really came across first. Because I was watching it at Ed, Edd, and Eddy, and I remember Chunky Puffs. It's like, oh, that's so iconic to me when that show. So I was like, I'm gonna do Chunky Puffs, and just trying to do my own simplistic views on it and how it's so easy to do. So I try to push it a little bit, but not too much. Try to keep it original.
We're gonna go build the cereal boxes now.
It's time to design that. Yeah.
All right, we just made some cereal boxes. Ian, let's talk about yours first.
All right, let's do that. Well, like I said, I just wanted to keep, simplistic design, kind of keep it close to the original. And I pretty much kept that. I just, added my own little textures on there and different nutrition facts and ingredients, shit you would find on a cereal box. And then the font's a little different. I tried to keep the font kind of cartoonish. This is a font I found on thefont.com. I didn't draw this, but I usually don't try to use, what do you call this? Like how Danielle taught us, don't use the a certain type of typefaces, and I felt like this was one that was kind of curious or dangerous of, but I decided to use it because I thought it would work since it's got a cartoonish style. And then same thing with the prize, and then just low and fat, because that's pretty much that was on this, so I only had so much to work with. But I'm really happy on how it came out, and I think it looks pretty close to the original, and I think people will get what it is that know that used to watch Ed and Eddy. So I feel happy about how it came out.
Yeah.
Critique me.
Yeah, it looks good. It looks like I like that it's real, but it still looks like it's in a cartoon.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it has like the thick lines.
Yeah.
It looks pretty close to the original. I think the type is fine. It looks fine with it. I don't think it's a mistake there. Yeah, I don't know. It does feel a little plain, but it is a cartoon box, so it's supposed to be that way. Yeah, I don't know. It looks pretty good, man.
One of my favorite parts doing this is from the original Ed and Eddy. What I really liked was these little dots, and I made all those. So I thought that was pretty cool.
Oh, really?
Yeah. All I would do is just make random circles and ovals and put them together and just put another circle behind it with like a slight white color to kind of give it that pop.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Nice. Okay. Now we're gonna look at my cereal box. Yeah, so I went with super bright saturated colors to make it look kind of old. I have thick outlines. I was basically took a lot of inspiration just from Fruit Loops, how they do their type. I can't remember what the type is, but it's just as thick and old looking as I could get. It has like a kind of a 70s look to it. Add a drop shadow on everything that makes it look old. I did the halftones again, because I think that makes anything look old. If you do this, make it look like it's screen printed.
Well, I could say it's like I really like the choice of color used for the whole base of it. I feel like that's what really brings it together. It's kind of like, you said, like, I don't know, like a faded red. It's almost pink, but it's still a red.
Yeah.
And I get that's what you're going for, so I think you got that, hit that right on the dot.
Yeah. And then as for that, I just kind of found copies of everything that's on a normal cereal box. And instead of Kellogg's, I put SPTV.
Yeah, I was going to say,
everywhere.
I like how you put the SPTV. I didn't realize that at first.
Weird, because that's something I noticed about cereal boxes is fucking Kellogg's is all over. It's like on every side of the box.
Yep. That's what I realized when I was doing mine too.
So, yeah, I thought that was interesting. And then every cereal has a good catchphrase, and mine is, "It's really good."
It's really good. No, I really liked how it came out. I like how you put SPTV on it, and then like the way you put the red, it's kind of like a faded red, almost pink. And the drop shadows work really well, along with this outline you put around Teddy, because I think that's what really made it pop out. Because if you didn't put those, I feel like it'd kind of look really flat.
Yeah.
So I feel like you really nailed this. And the only thing is just like small critique, like me, it's just like, it's over it, but that's about all I can find if you're looking for a critique anyways.
I wish I had taken a better photo. The lighting.
I thought the photo was good.
I don't think the lighting is very good. I'm not very good at lighting.
I liked it. I thought you did a good photo, so that's just me though.
Let us know what you guys think about these cereal box designs.
If you have any ideas for yourself of what we should design, just put it down in the comments below.
Boom, subscribe to the channel.
And ring the bell.
Bye. Hey, I'm Ben.
And I'm Ian. Oh shit, I'm only supposed to say design that cereal box.
Hey, I'm Ben.
This is movie magic, people. Today, I'm gonna make the legendary Chunky Puffs from Ed, Edd, and Eddy. It's my shit. Let's design that. That's the cheesiest way you can say it.